Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching, and in today's video we're going to be installing a JDM BLITZ strut bar in my Boost Blue Type R. It's going to look really good, and hopefully it will stiffen up the chassis a little bit. The body should feel a little more rigid and definitely help with cornering and just overall stability of the vehicle. So really excited to install this. So I got this upper strut bar for a great deal. Check out my link if you guys want to purchase one for yourselves. I got it for $120 straight from Japan, and that's a pretty good deal. If you look in the US, you can find these for $150 up to like $230. And this bar is really great quality. It looks really good. It almost looks like there is like, I don't know if it's a texture or whatever. I have to take off the plastic, but it almost looks like there's a flake in there or something. The Blitz name in the center looks like it is laser etched. I don't know if you guys can see that. Has red braces on the sides too, so I really like that. It's going to pop with my Boost Blue. So obviously I am definitely excited to get this installed. We're gonna be installing it today. It's pretty straightforward process. We're gonna do it in this video. Comes with new hardware right here. You could see like a, I don't know, a wiring loom that goes around one of the battery cables. And here's all of the paperwork, including a Blitz decal. Adds about 15 horsepower at least, you know. And I'm excited to try out this new digital torque wrench I just got as well. So I'm really excited to see this beautiful Boost Blue Type R with a strut bar and another new mod. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you guys like Type R FK8 content. I'm always making videos about my beautiful Boost Blue Type R. So let's pop the hood and get started. This engine is amazing. It is obviously a K series, which is just legendary, but also it's turbocharged, so even better. Okay, so what we're going to do is obviously start with breaking all 6 of the nuts on both sides of the strut towers. So we're gonna do that right now, then we'll start installing the new strut bar. Should only take a couple minutes. So I had the strut bar in, it's lined up and it fits really well. These are snugged up really quick, these nuts. So next I'm going to put the wiring loom over the negative because it does rub on it. I doubt it's going to make much difference, but I will use it anyways. Just wrap it around there really quick. One thing that I did notice, guys, it gets really close to this reservoir, the clutch brake reservoir, which really not a big fan of. Also, the bolt that goes into the front of this brace right here kind of rubs on this, the reservoir cap. I don't like that, so I might just be putting the bolt in the back and then have the nut in the front. But we're just about done, guys. Everything lines up, which is great. All we have to do is put on that loom really quick. So it's done, it's torqued down. I torqued it down to the repair manual spec, which says it is 46 pounds. So that's what it's set on. I just snugged these pretty tight. I mean, you don't need these like super crazy tight. And also, kind of don't like how close that reservoir is to it. It's like sitting on it, which is just weird. But other than that, it's great. So the paperwork is basically all Japanese. All you can really tell is pictures. I did use a Google translator on these, and it just basically says like torque specs, and it doesn't really say too much, but it does show these right here. And these, I believe, are these prongs right here. I'll probably bend these in. I'm not sure if they'll actually hit, but yeah, I'm probably gonna bend those just to make sure they don't hit. So it's time to take off the plastic now, guys, and see what it looks like. So here we go. Let's see here. There we go. Let's get it all off. And what is the finish? Okay, so it is like a, it's like a textured finish. It looks really good. Definitely looks clean with the red brackets. So I am going to bend those prongs on this up really quick. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so this is what the hood scoop little tunnel prongs look like now. They're bent straight down. Can't even see them, so hopefully they do not interfere with this bar. Pretty sure this car was lowered previously. The outcome looks great. It looks so good, and I'm just excited to be done with this project because it is hot in here. It has to be like 98 degrees, 102 degrees in here, and humid, so definitely not fun. But there's the fit and finish of the brackets and the bar itself. There's the wiring loom. I didn't get a chance to show you guys the wiring loom too much. I just basically went over the exposed wire up here, or yeah, I think that was wire up there, and then back here as well. Looks really good, and I like it. Only thing I don't like about this bar that I wish this bar did that the Cusco one does is it kind of bends around this reservoir. Really wish this did that. I don't know, let me know if you guys have this with yours, but mine's like sitting right above or barely touching that reservoir.